Hello everyone, welcome back to the virtual workspace. This is the second part of our video upgrading Citrix version, mastering virtual app and desktop series. And today's video, we are going to upgrade the license server. So in my last video, uh, we discussed about my lab and uh, the preparation. We checked the OS compatibility, SQL Server compatibility, and as per the new server. And today we are ready to upgrade our first component, Citrix license server. So we are at stage 2. So uh, will start the upgrade. So before start upgrade, we need to check this pre-upgrade checklist. We need to back up the license file. We need to take the server snapshot if upgrade failed, or while upgrading, if license file fail, then you can use this backup file while reconfiguring license server. So for that we need to take backup of this, and also we need to check the advanced subscription date, so that date should match to new version, otherwise it will not upgrade will fail. So I'll show you how to check this advanced subscription date. So for that, you need to log in into the studio, click on licensing, and here it is showing advance subscription advance date. For it is blank showing for me because I am using 30-day license. Um, but in production, it will show you here the advance subscription date, and before start upgrade, you have to check is that date should match to the new version. um, for my current version, it's showing this subscription date, so that subscription date assign to your license file while you purchase the license. And if that date is not matched to your current your newer version, then you need to contact to Citrix, and you need to reassign that license file. They will reallocate the license file, and that license file you need to assign that with updated subscription date, and after that only you can upgrade the Citrix license server. So now, okay, I'll just take the license snapshot is already taken. I'll just, and the subscription date also we check. Now I am going to copy the license file. So it is on this path, C program file, Citrix licensing, my license file. So here you can copy this file, or you can copy this folder, my license file folder I have copied. Okay, I just copy that and put here. You can copy this on the share drive. um, Let me log into the license server. So pre-checklist uh, done. We have copied the license file, and now we can start the upgrade. So this is the current version, current license version. It is 11.17.2, and the build is 37000. So we are going to upgrade this. Setup is, let me close this, and the upgrade is simple actually. Okay, just start. You can download this from Citrix. The setup, you can download this from the Citrix site, and if you need set this setup file, you can comment in this video. I'll share you this license file on email, or if you need any other setup file, you can ask me in comment. Okay, let's start the upgrade. So if you plan it properly, if you plan it properly, So actual upgrade is it's simple. uh, you just you just run this file with the admin credential, and then upgrade will start. Just click on the upgrade. It will not take that much of time also. It is upgrade is easy if all the prerequisite we already checked, and we configure it as per the new version requirement, then it will be easy. And if you are upgrading Citrix license server in production, no need to take a downtime for that, because um, while upgrade, it will take hardly take 30 minutes. Let's say 30, it will take 30 minutes to upgrade. And and uh, if and Citrix, if license server is down for 30 days, that is also fine actually. So it will not completely down your Citrix services. So without downtime, you can directly upgrade this. It will not affect uh, on your production. But if you are upgrading other component like Citrix delivery controller or storefront server, session or server, at that time you need to plan uh, downtime. While upgrading storefront server also, for if it's just depend on your setup. If you're if you configure load balancing using F5 or Netscaler, in that scenario you don't need to take downtime, but it's as per your setup. Okay, so like it is 80% now. It will complete soon. Okay, it is upgrade is completed now. Almost completed. Okay, I'll just launch this. Click on launch and finish. So I have logged in into the license server now. Let me close this and just check the current version detail. So we have um, upgraded the license server to the latest version, build 5100. uh, s- so let me check if it is showing here. Okay, yeah. uh, so upgrade is completed successfully. And in next video we will upgrade the storefront server. Thanks for watching, and see you in next video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.